This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. And this is a brand new 2026 Peterbilt 589 tandem axle dump truck, 233-inch wheelbase, 20,000-pound steer axle with dual steering gearboxes, 46,000-pound rear suspension, 456 gears, locking differentials. It's a 16-foot Tebco body. Has the standard swing as well as the high lift on it. Tebco builds a fantastic dump bed. The tractor air and electrical lines are at the back of the frame if you wanted to put a pintle hitch on it. It is an insulated body for asphalt. Got 11R 24/5 tires on the rear on Alcoa aluminum wheels. It's your electric tarp. Space saver battery with polished aluminum air tanks. Battery disconnect. Polished steps. Dual sided cab exhaust. 4 roof mounted air horns. Your Texas style bumper with fog lights and a tow pin. It's got 315 ADR 22/5 steer tires. Let's take a look under the hood. Here we have our 500 horsepower Cummins X15 with 1,850 foot-pounds of torque. Behind that is the Allison 4500 series RDS transmission. Take a look inside. Air ride leather seats. Your body controls. Extra gauge package. Cobra CD radio mounted overhead. Your multi-function steering wheel. So if you can use this, give me a call, 706-372-4698. We also have 4 more black cab trucks that are very similarly spec'd without the high lift gate coming in from Tebco as well.